We're here at KRONEN event at the fabric. It's my first time here. I came all the way here from Panama. It's been a pleasure being here. It's been amazing. I've been meeting new people, learning new things, learning about new machinery, new ideas, new innovations for our business. And we're really grateful that we can be here and we can keep working with KRONEN for the long run.
This is my second time on this event. I was here before the pandemic, then it was a little bit smaller, and this time is fantastic because you see they show us many more machines like we use in our production, so that's really good for us.
One of the advantages and why we at Colorado State University decided to go with KRONEN, because it allows us to have this flexibility when we're working with the different clients, from going from a potato to a leafy green or to a berry, and we can explain the science behind it.
The KRONEN company has take care of everything, and we've been here like special guests, and it's very impressive to see all the range and all the products, especially the salad line.
Der Tag war jetzt für uns sehr interessant. Neue Technik mit dem Hygienic Design und auch die Vorträge, die es gab, das hat mir doch immer neue Impulse gebracht. Also dann inspiriert mich wieder, da weiterzugehen, und das Ziel ist ja immer auch, dass man nicht mit Chemie weiterkommt, sondern mit Technik erstmal und dann schauen, wie weit man da Lösungen schafft, und das ist unser Ziel.
We are from Malaysia, and we are very happy to work with KRONEN because we think KRONEN can give the advantage towards Malaysia, especially in terms of technology and equipment. And we believe that KRONEN produce one of the best machinery in the world, and we are very happy and confident that when we apply KRONEN to the agriculture in Malaysia, that the outcome will be very good.
This event here in Kehl at KRONEN, with over 44 countries being represented, with customers from around the world, in total 180 people that joined us today to celebrate this event with us, sales meeting and customer days, the presentations in the forum, the machine demonstrations. It just felt so fantastic after this long time without meeting face-to-face caused by the pandemics. So everybody over here is very thankful that we had the chance to be together here with our customers and partners from around the world.